Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. Okay, so I'm launching the technical polls. Just respond to the polls whether my voice is clearly audible to you or not, and also my screen is visible clearly or not. Just respond to the polls, everyone. Just respond to the polls. YouTube guys, you can respond in the chat box. ZNB my. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's good to start the class. Okay, I'm ending the poll. It's ended. Sure. So, welcome to the class, guys. How are you all? Okay. So, we have completed the chapter that is Parabola from conic section in previous 3 classes, right? So, based on those concepts only, those questions came in JEE Mains in the previous year. We'll discuss those questions in this class, right? So, what we are going to do in this class, we are just going to discuss some previous year questions in this class. Okay, guys? So, are you ready to quiz first? Okay. So, it's your first question. This is came in 2022 JEE Main. Okay. And for these questions, I'm giving you only 2 minutes. Just your time starts now. You can start solving. Respond your answer in the chat box. Okay. Reply your answers in the chat box. Or also, okay, I will launch the poll. You can respond to the poll also. Okay, the poll has been launched. What is the correct answers? Answer, you can respond to the polls also. When you are getting the answer, just respond to the poll. I hope everyone is trying this question. Option D is correct. Let's see. Okay, so you have another 50 seconds also. You should try these questions, then answer it. Okay. Okay, hope all of you tried this question. Okay, let's see what is the solution of this question. Okay. So what is asking in the question? It is asking if the tangents drawn at the points P and Q on the parabola y square is equal to 2x minus 3, right? Intersects at the points 0, 1. At the point R, whose coordinate is 0, 1, then the orthocenter of the triangle PQR. Any one of you, can you tell me what is orthocenter? Already I told you in the chapter of where straight line, right? So what do you mean by orthocenter? Any of you can say what is orthocenter? Can you respond in the chat box? Yes. So actually orthocenter is the intersection of all the 3 altitude of a triangle. Okay, suppose you have a triangle here. Okay, you have a triangle here, and you must draw all the altitude. Then the point of intersection of all the altitude is called my orthocenter. So this is my orthocenter. We can denote it by H also, or O. You can denote it by O also, right? Okay. So let's see what is the solution. Sorry. Yes. So I already told you, when you are going to solve the questions from conic sections, you must draw the figure first, if it is necessary. Okay, if the tangents drawn at the point P and Q to the parabola y square is equal to 2x minus 3 intersect at the point 0, 1, right? 0, 1. Then the orthocenter of the triangle PQR. Clear? Okay. So can you tell me what will be the equation of chord of contact? Just respond to the chat box. What is the equation of chord of contact? Already told you in the previous class also. What is the equation of chord of contact, guys? That is T is equal to 0, na? T is equal to 0. If the tangents are drawn from the point R and you are getting a chord of contact that is PQ, then the equation of this PQ will be T is equal to 0. What is T? All of you know what is T? Yes. So T is actually the transformation. The transformation. In place of x square will put xx1. In place of x will put x plus x1 by 2. In place of y will put y plus y1 by 2. Is that or not? Yes. So apply that formula or apply that shortcut to find the equation of chord of contact first. Right? So the equation of chord of contact will be contact is actually T is equal to 0. So what is T here? Now we can write here this equation as y1 minus 2 into x plus x1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So just substitute in place of x1 y1 0 1 because we have drawn the tangents from the point 0 1. So we'll substitute x1 y1 as 0 1. Right? So this will be y minus 2 will be cancelled out. So x plus x1, that is 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of chord of contact, right? This is the equation of chord of contact, or we can say this equation we can write also it is x minus y is equal to 3. Suppose this is my equation 1. And we know the equation of parabola also, and the chord of contact and the equation of parabola, the chord of contact and parabola, there are 2 points of intersection, that one is P, one is Q. So if we'll solve both the equation of chord of contact and parabola, we'll get the coordinate of P and Q. Is that or not? We'll get the coordinate of P and Q. So try to find the coordinate of P and Q. How can we find? That is, solve this equation with these equations. So here I'm getting y as x minus 3. Okay. So if we'll put y as x minus 3 in this parabola, so what we'll get? So it will be x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. So solve this, you will get x, right? So x will be, if we'll solve it, it will be x square plus 9 minus 6x is equal to 2x minus 3. So it will be x square, okay, x square minus 8x minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. So solve this quadratic equation, you will get the value of x, right? So if we'll solve it, we'll get x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Then if we'll take common as x, we'll get x minus 6 minus 2 common, then x minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here I'm getting x minus 2 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here I'm getting x is equal to 2 or 6, right? We're getting x is equal to another value is and 6. Right? One is 2, other is 6. So when x is equal to 2, if we'll put x is equal to 2 in the equation of chord of contact, what is that? Y is equal to x minus 3. That is, y will be, y is equal to x minus 3. Na? So at x is equal to 2, we'll get y is equal to minus 1. So then we can say the coordinate of Q The coordinate of Q is actually what? 2 minus 1. And the coordinate of P, how can you find the coordinate of P? Similarly, when x is equal to 6, we are getting y as 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, so coordinate of P I am getting, that is 6, 3. Is it or not? 6, 3, right? Clear everyone? 6, 3. P coordinate, so Q coordinate is 2 minus 1. Just go through the figure. 2 minus 1, and the coordinate of P is 6, 3. Is that or not? Now, can you tell me what is slope of QR? Why I'm doing this? You will understand now. So slope of QR. Tell me what is the slope of QR? You have 2 points on that line. So you can easily find the slope of QR. That is -1, that is -2 upon 2, that is -1. The slope of QR is -1. Okay. Slope of QR is -1, and slope of PQ. What is slope of PQ? Tell me. Slope of PQ is, see, 6 minus 3 minus of -1, that is 4. 4 upon 6 minus 2, 4. That is 4 upon 4 is 1. Okay, so we are getting slope of QR is -1, slope of PQ is -1. So slope of QR into slope of PQ, I'm getting 1 into -1, that is -1. So when the product of slope of two lines is -1, that means we can say those lines are perpendicular to each other. That means here we are getting the angle PQR is 90 degree. The angle PQR is 90 degree. Is that not? So here you are getting a right angle triangle. Yes, you are getting a right angle triangle. So if I'll draw the figure here, suppose this is my right angle triangle Q. This is Q, this is P, and this is R, and this is my right angle. Now, can you tell me what is the orthocenter? What is the orthocenter of this triangle? What is the orthocenter of this triangle? That is the, what is that? So intersection of all the altitudes. So in case of right angle, this will be your orthocenter. Q is your orthocenter, right? So orthocenter, we are getting the orthocenter is at the point Q, and which coordinate is 2 minus 1. So the orthocenter is 2 minus 1. Is that clear to everyone? In case of right angle triangle, suppose the triangle, you can observe here, the triangle is like this. This is the triangle. Okay, so this is Q. So height of the, so if I'll ask you the height of the triangle is, you can see this, see this is the one altitude, this is one altitude, right? So these are two altitude, and the point of intersection is, so if I'll draw the altitude from here also, the point of intersection will be Q, right? The point of intersection will be Q. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. So the orthocenter here, the orthocenter is Q, and the coordinate of orthocenter is 2 minus 1. Hence, the orthocenter of the triangle PQR is 2 minus 1. So which option is the correct one? 2 minus 1. Option B is the correct one. Option B is correct one. Is that clear to everyone? Guys, I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. Yes, I'm waiting for your response. Can you please respond to the chat box whether it is clear to all or not? It's a very good question we solved. Janvi, is that clear? Okay. So let's move to the next question, and it's the solution. Okay. Let me solve this question. Let's see. The next question is here. And for these questions also, I'm giving you 1 minute. Try to solve it. And your time starts now. I'm launching the poll also. When you are getting the answer, just respond. Yes. Anyone got the answer? Anyone got the answer of this question? Can you please respond to the polls? The option C is the correct one. Option C. Very good. Very good. Let's see what is the solution. Good. Very good. Sure. Let's solve. Huh? So what is asking? If the length of the lattice rectum of a parabola whose focus is AA and the tangent at its vertex is x plus y is equal to A, right? Tangent and the tangent at its vertex is x plus y is equal to A. Okay, so the whose focus is A and the tangent at its vertex is x plus y is equal to A. So here the length of lattice rectum is given as mod of A, 16. Then you need to find mod of A, right? So let's see what is the solution of this question. So we can say, so equation of tangent is given as equation of tangent at vertex is given as, suppose it is L, I'm denoting it is as L, so it is given as x plus y minus A is equal to 0, right? And focus of the parabola, it is given as focus of the parabola, it is given as F whose coordinate is AA, right? Then if I'll ask you to find, okay, the perpendicular distance from the focus to the line L. Okay, if I'll ask you to find the perpendicular distance from the point F to the line L, then what will be your answer? Just apply the formula. What is that? That is, we'll put ax1 plus by1 plus c mod of this. Okay, then so it will be a plus a minus a mod of under root of, that is 2, under root of 2. Okay, and which is actually we are getting it is as mod of a upon root 2. Yes or no? Mod of root, a upon root 2. So what is the length of the lattice rectum? What is the length of the lattice rectum here? We know what is the length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum is actually 4a. That is, we can write this as 4 into, what is a here? We are getting that is mod of a upon root 2, because when, what is a? What is a? Because we are taking the tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex means this is your tangent at vertex. This is your tangent at vertex. Okay, so this point is given as AA, right? This point is given as AA. Then the length of the lateral rectum will be, what will be your length of lateral rectum? That is, we in the in general we know the length of the lateral rectum is 4a when the parabola is given as y square is equal to 4x, right? So here, what is a? What is a? It is not given. So what is a actually? A is the distance from this point to this point. Yes or no? Yes. So if you are taking this distance as my a, then here the a will be, this distance is also from the focus to the line L. This is my line L and this is my point F. Yes or no? So this is the length. This is the distance from the point F to the line L, and it is also a. Yes or no? So 4 into mod of a upon root 2. So what is the answer you are getting? That is actually, it is also given as na. In the question it is given that the length of the lateral rectum is 16. So this is equal to 16. Then what is the answer? You have to find mod a. You have to find mod a. So this will be root 2 is equal to 4. So mod a will be 4 root 2. This is your answer. Very good, JNB Mai. What you have answered, that is absolutely correct. Okay. So the answer is correctly, you have responded, which is 4 root 2. Option C is the correct one. Okay. Everyone clear this question? If you have any doubt, you can ask, guys. Any doubt you can ask. No doubt. Shall I move to the next question? Yes. Everyone clear? Sure. Let's move to the next question. And the answer is this. Sure. Then the second question is, okay, I'm giving you first to some point. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes for this question, sir, and your time starts now. Try to solve it within the time. I'm launching the poll also. After solving the question, you can answer. Try this question, guys. Anyone got the answer? Option A is correct one. Let's see what is the solution. Just wait. Okay, so let's solve this question. So what it is saying actually? Okay, so let point Phi, whose coordinate is AB, be a point on the parabola. Y square is equal to 8x, right? So that the tangent at P passes through the center of this circle. Let A be the product of all possible values of A and B be the product of all possible values of B. Then you need to find A plus B, right? So let's draw the figure first. Suppose this is my parabola, y square is equal to 8x, right? And suppose this point is my P, whose coordinate is given as AB, right? And from this point, we'll draw a tangent. Okay, we'll draw a tangent. Okay, this is my tangent at the point P, and which is passing through the circle, which is passing through the center of the circle. And the circle is, suppose, this is my circle. Oh. Okay. The equation of circle is given as x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y plus 65 is equal to 0. I have drawn the raw figure of the question, right? And you need to find the value of A and B, and capital A is the product of all possible values of A, and capital B is the product of all possible values of B. So you need to find A plus B, right? What should you do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए actually? है ना? So already we have given the equation of tangent as y square is equal to 8x. Suppose, oh sorry, this is the parabola given. Suppose I am taking, let the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 8x as I'm taking it, it is as yt is equal to x plus 2t square, because here actually 80 square now, x plus 80 square. What is the parametric for yt is equal to x plus 80 square? So here a is 8 into, sorry, 2 into, so 4 into 2 into x. So the value of a is 2 here. So x plus 2t square parametric form. Okay, x plus yt is equal to x plus 2t square, right? The coordinate, the parameter of the point P is t. I am taking. Okay. Okay. So now if I am taking, this is my equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 8x, and we know already it is given in the question that this tangent is passing through the point, this tangent is passing through the center of this given circle. So what is the center of this circle? That is 5, 7. Yes or no? Center of the circle is 5, 7. So if we'll put this point 5, 7, so 5, 7 is satisfying the equation of tangent, that is yt is equal to x plus 2t square. Yes or no? It is satisfying. So if you'll put this point, so what you will get? Let's see. We'll get y as 7, that is 7t is equal to 5 plus 2t square. So finally we are getting a quadratic equation here. So 2t square minus 7t plus minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So solve this quadratic equation first and try to find the value of t first. Okay, so by solving this quadratic equation, I am getting the value of t as 1 5 by 2. Okay, 1 5 by 2. Is that clear to everyone? So I am getting the value of t as 1 5 by 2. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Okay. So what are the parametric coordinate? What are the parametric coordinate of the parabola? That is, if the parameter of the point P is t, then we can say the parametric coordinates will be 80 square 280. So So we'll get two coordinates, two possible coordinates of point P. For t is equal to 1, I will get one coordinate, and t is equal to 5 by 2 also, I will get another coordinate. So first put t is equal to 1. We know what is a is 2, right? So t at t is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2, the possible values of a will be, what are the possible values of a? The coordinate of x coordinate of p, x coordinate of p, that is a here. I'm talking about that a. Okay, the possible coordinates of t will be, no, sorry, a will be, that is, one is 2 into 1 square. Okay, and at t is equal to 5 by 2 and a is equal to 2, I will get a as 2 into, sorry, 2 into t square and 2 into 5 by 2 square. Then we know possible, what is capital A? Capital A is the product of possible values of A. So what are the possible values of A I am getting here? That is, one is 2 into 1 square, 2 into 1 square into 2 into 5 by 2 square. Solve it and tell me what is the answer. Product of all possibilities of values of A, you are getting, that is 2 square will be cancelled out. We are getting here 25. So capital A is 25. So capital B, what is capital B will be? B will be, B is the product of possible values of B. So at t is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2, the y coordinate will be 2 into t. 1 into another coordinate will be at t is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2 into 5 by 2. So by solving it, what I'm getting, 2 will be cancelled out. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 into 5, that is 40. Okay, so capital A as is I am getting, that is 25, and capital B is 40. So what is the answer will be, hence A plus B is 25 plus 40, that is 65 is your answer. Is that understood to everyone? Is there any doubt you can ask? So what is the correct option? Correct option is 65. The option D is correct. Okay, see and tell me where, if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask in the solution. Any doubt you are having, you can ask. Guys, any doubt you have? If no, just respond to the polls, no sir. If yes, then write your doubt in the chat box. Everyone please respond. Clear? So let's move to the next question, and the solution is here. You can see here. Okay, the next question is, you need to find the equation of common tangent to the parabola y is equal to x square, and y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square, right? And I am giving you for this question 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes. It's now. Try to solve it. Your time starts now. Try to solve. I'm launching the poll. Option B is correct. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, so I'm ending the poll. Chalo. So it is asking the question, the equation of common tangent to the parabola y is equal to x square. The parabola is given as y is equal to x square, and another parabola is y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. Y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square, right? Okay, so suppose I'm taking, if the equation of tangent, if I'll ask you equation of tangent having the slope m. So see here, the form is the standard form of the parabola. It is given that x square is equal to 4ay, right? Here a is x square is equal to 4, that is into 1 by 4 into y. X square is equal to y is equal to x square, na? So a, the value of a is 1 by 4, right? So can you tell me what is the equation of tangent here? Slope form, when you are having the slope. So what is the equation of tangent? That is, equation of tangent is y is equal to mx minus am square. Remember, when the standard form of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay, right? When the standard form, I'm writing here, standard form of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Then the equation of tangent will be y is equal to mx minus am square, right? So here a is given as 1 by 4. So what is the equation tangent will be? Then the equation of tangent will be y is equal to mx minus 1 by 4 am square. One equation is this, and also it is given that it is a common tangent to both the parabola. That means the other equation is having the same slope. Then if I'll ask you equation of tangent having the slope m, to the parabola, what is it? Y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square, right? So what is the equation of tangent in this case? It will be y is equal to mx plus 1 by 4 x minus, sorry, so in place of x we need to write x minus 2, na? Yeah, so that is m into x minus 2 plus 1 by 4 m square. Is that or not? Yes or no? Clear? So both the equations are same, right? Both the equations are same because it is the common tangent to both the parabola. So then if you compare both the equations, so what we'll get actually? See here we are having the coefficient of x as m. So here we are having coefficient of x as m, right? And the constant term is in the first equation we are having, that is minus 1 by 4 m square, which is equal to, here I am having 2m plus 1 by 4 m square. Okay, so by solving this we'll get m as 0 and 4. If m is 0 and 4, then the equation of tangent will be, tell me what is the equation of tangent here? If m is 0 and 4, at x m is 0, it will be not, no, in case of 0 it will not be, na? Okay, so then y is equal to 1 by x, sorry, equation of tangents at m is equal to, let me check, what is the what is he is asking in the question? Equation of common tangent to the parabola, na? Yes, clear. Okay, so equation of tangent will be, what is the next question? Yeah, So y is equal to, just put m is equal to 4 here. We'll put in this equation. In both equations you can put, okay, x is equal to m is equal to 4, then it will give you 4x minus 1 by 4 into m square, that is 4 square, which is equal to y is equal to 4x minus 4. So this is the equation of tangent, right? If you put x is equal to 0 here, if slope is 0, then in which case slope is 0? In which case slope is 0. So if we'll put m is equal to 0, it will be y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 0 square, that is 0. So y is equal to 0, that is x-axis. So the slope is actually slope. X-axis can be slope. So the equation of tangent is actually y is equal to 4x minus 4. So this is your answer. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Is that clear to everyone? Yes, y is equal to 4x minus 4. Clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? Any doubt? It's time. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, and take this question as your homework question. We'll discuss later. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you all. Thanks, JNB Mai. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.